Have you gone online before and you see beautiful videos on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook, on TikTok, and you're like, how can I replicate this video? Like, how can I create this video as a video creator that you are? Today, I want to bring a new tutorial in my YouTube channel that will address this issue. Now, what you're looking at, let me play it. This is a clip. This is actually a clip from a wedding, or from a burial rather. So, and as you can see, this is a Sony clip, a Sony S3 log. So, as you can see, I will just keep this side because I don't want you guys to see. Yeah. So, as you can see the clip, this is ungraded. It is not graded and it is a log file. So, how can we build this? Now, at the beginning, I talked about how you can replicate. Now, if you watch this, you see that I've laid an audio under, which this is just what I want to do because this is the full video. This is the full video. Later, I will do a tutorial on how I will cut this video into the teasers or trailers for this burial. As you can see, there is a lot that I want to do for this video, and all this will be, I'll upload them on my YouTube channel. So, as you can see, we are now viewing the video. Yeah, so let's go to the interesting parts. As you can see, so now, how did I come up with this concept? Because if you look up here, because I'm actually using DaVinci Resolve. Let me pause the video. So if you look up here, you see that there is a lot of clips here, a lot. And this video, if you look up here, okay, it is not labeled. Let me, how will I show, is it time code? I've forgotten. Is that it? Okay, it's not showing. I want to show you the full length of the video. So let me just do this. Drag this like this. So this video, the full length is about, this 4 hours. So this video, if I add this remaining side of the video, you see that it is about 5 hours plus. So this video is likely to get to 5 hours. Yeah, so you see it's a very lengthy project. As you can see, it's a very lengthy project. So how did I come up to select these shots? Because there are a lot of shots here that I actually skipped. I don't know if I can find them. I will show you. I skipped some and I cut some. Like, let me see. Okay, like this clip now, this clip. If you look, you see that I cut the beginning out and I also cut some part of the ending out. So this is how to actually go about taking clips for your trailer. So I edited this as a trailer, like a sub trailer into the video, the full video, as you can see. So, and all these clips, I will stabilize them. As you can see, they are not stabilized. So I will stabilize them. So this is just like me walking, you know, me walking and yeah, so this is just me like bringing up a timeline and, you know, trying to look around all the clips because I'm not the one that shot this. I'm just an editor. So now, when you come to this place, you say timeline view option. You click on it, then you see where it says stack timeline. Here, click on it. So you see it brought, so I'm using timeline 1. I can add new timeline by clicking here. You see, go to timeline 2, or I click, let me disable this, let me close this. Then, or I click here to create a new one. So, okay, now you see the difference. This one here creates one under here, while this one creates a new timeline for us at like moving from here to here. it's still okay, but it's somehow not really efficient to work with like that, because if I want to drag, I can just drag this. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. So you see, it doesn't work. But here now, using this method, I can easily drag this to this new timeline. As you can see, it has entered there. And the fun part of it is that this image or this video, this clip did not delete from here. You see, it's still there. That's it here. It's still there. So as you can see, so this is an effective way. So if I want to start cutting my trailers for this particular event, this is the way I would go. So if you come here, now if you look at, there's a line here, there's a line here. So if you come here, you can make more room for yourself and start dragging in things and start, be like, okay, I like this, I want to add this next. I'm now planning out, this is how they do it. This is how they do it. You understand? The old method before Da Vinci brought this stack timeline, the old method is to drag from here. You just, I believe you should know that. Where is it? It has been long I used that feature. Oh, sorry. When you close the inspector, you see it here. So you see, so anything I open here, you see, this is my viewport. People coming from Premiere will be very familiar with this, though I started from Premiere too. So good. Like this video now, this video, I did not take anything from this video, as you can see. Oh wow, I've removed it. I think I can actually find it. Okay, I can't find it. Okay, but you can see, okay, that's the video, yeah. I did not take anything from that video. I took the next one. You understand? So that is it. So it's not a must that, and this one, I got the beginning and the ending. I don't know if you can see it from the YouTube compression. So like this video, I don't know how managed they were able to do this error, because this is an error to me, because I did not take the video. I can't use it. So there are like this one too. I did not use this video. I would also like to show you the audio side of it. The audio side of it, just a bit, a bit. So you see, some audios are showing the wave, while some are not showing the wave. So it's all about balancing. Like this one now, I did not do anything. I will tell you guys what I did and how I was able to go about. There are a lot of bad audios here. I will show you how I'm able to collect, how to fix those audios basically. Yes, on the basic level. So there will be a lot in this tutorial. There will be a lot. It will not be a master class, but it will really show. Like here now, this is way too much. I guess I didn't see this. This is very bad. This is very bad. What should I do here? Alternative X. So I did alternative X because it's like I highlighted everything. So this is way too much. I see. So at least let me just do this. Yeah. So, but it's all about balancing. It's all about balancing. So I don't know why. Let me see the original. Okay, this is the original without. So I don't want to play any audio here. So I'll just go back to how it was before. Then later I will review it and see how I can fix it, because I don't know, maybe if that is intentional, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me play this and see. Where's our wave? This is our wave. This is our wave, but it's not showing. It's supposed to be showing. A wave is supposed to be showing, but it's not showing. So it's good. So let me quickly run through. Okay. So, but it's nice. So also here at this junction here, when they are doing the interview, you see the audio here is low. Yeah, so no problem. You guys will see what I did and how I was able to go around this. Yeah, just stay tuned. Follow my tutorial. Okay, let's get back. You have to select what you have to use. Like this one now, I cut, it's a barrier. So you have to select what you want and you know how to go about it. So this is just an overview. So watch out for my next video because I've actually color graded. Let me close this. I don't like it. So let me take back this. So I've actually color graded this image. I've actually like given a look. It's not really a color grading, it's a look. Now let me just show you. So you click here to display it. So as you can see, yeah, some people will like it as a final grade, while some people will not like it. So but have in mind that this is a Sony A7 III, and I really had serious problem nailing the skin tone. You know, it always has that issue. So now I will walk you through in the next video. Watch my next video to see how I can walk you through on how I got to this place, like color correcting, you see, the same color correcting all these clips to be the same. Are you seeing? So let's go to the beginning. You see, are you seeing them? So I just did a basic color correction. So let's see how we can actually go about it. My next video, stay tuned. Thank you.